stupid guy out of the way. I think this guy in front of us is drunk.
Were you swerving?
Why is he swerving? Crash out, gang.
Bro, why
Get out of the way.
The dude that yelled at me last time. We're doing this. I told you I'm really like that, bro.
It went better than I thought it was gonna. Crash out, gang, crash out. Oh.
Spin that.
No way, Jose.
I did not spin that up. Should I retry?
Should I retry? Oh my god. What the fuck?
Like whip it.
Alright, whip it then, bro. Don't be a baby. Oh my god. And it's all the
Alright, we gotta spin back on the circle.
right? What'd you say? Leave my seatbelt on.
Well, you're.
Oh, it's wet. I'm getting out of here. They're busting all over us. No! This rebel is running the red light.
Better hold that light green because it's not be getting hit. I don't want to hit anybody.
Oops, gang.
Oh, this Johnson's getting slid. God damn it! I can save this.
What do you mean I can save this? Do not go over the curb. Holy shit. Okay, maybe less send. Maybe just a little less oomph.
Less oomph.
Oh no! There's a curve right there.